Prepping, cooking, the things you need to know. Who are you going to turn to? The Super Awesome Food Show.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Super Awesome Food Show. Today we're going to be making pan-fried bacon. Bacon. Making good bacon at home is surprisingly simple in a single pan, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. Alright, so what I do is I turn the stove on medium, get the pan hot. As soon as the pan is hot, put in the bacon. 4 or 5 strips should fit in a pan about this size, so that's what we'll do. Don't let it fold up on itself. Just kind of make sure each piece is flat, or as flat as can be in there. You can kind of curve them or move them around, but you don't want them folded up into a ball or anything. Make sure that they're pretty much touching the pan in every spot. You'll be flipping them frequently, so don't worry about that. Yeah, just have them spaced out about like this, you know. We got 5 in our pan. Depending on the size of your pan, you might get 3, you might get 4, you might get 6, you might get 8 if you've got a giant pan, you know. The thing I find with pan frying bacon is sometimes you want to use a splatter. If you've got one of those netted splatter things, you can put that on top, or just a glass lid or something. But every once in a while you want to take that lid off and flip them around. I use a fork and just grab one end and just kind of flip it. I find flipping bacon frequently seems to help evenly cook it. Sometimes what happens with pan-fried bacon is one end of the bacon strip will cook faster than the other end. And I don't know if that's something with heat distribution in the pan or thickness of the bacon or whatever, but I find that if you flip them frequently and just kind of move them around and get them laid out like I'm doing here, that you can kind of avoid that problem. Again, if you don't want splattering grease going onto your stovetop, put a lid on it, some of some fashion. The screen splatter guards work the best, but a glass lid will do okay if you don't have that. It's going to take a few minutes to cook your bacon. You're going to be flipping them and kind of moving them around a little bit every minute or so. I mean, it can take up to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to cook bacon. And bacon's one of those things that seems to cool down pretty quick. So, if you've got a griddle or something that you can put on really low heat, you can kind of store them on there if you're going to be cooking for more than one person. I mean, really, most people should probably only eat about 3 strips of bacon at breakfast anyways, right? And there we go. What I like to do is put it on a paper towel and I pat away the grease because they can come out of a pan fry really greasy. So I like to pull them out onto a paper towel. You know that they're done when they're all kind of, you can see it's cooked all the way across, basically. You don't want to overcook your bacon. But there we go. We've got our 5 strips out of the pan and patted down so there's no grease, and they're on the plate there. Perfectly cooked bacon. Really nice. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you can make some really good bacon at home and enjoy this tasty treat. Everyone loves bacon, right? Tastes really good. All right. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Stay awesome out there, everybody. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya. The Super Awesome Food Show is part of the Super Awesome Geek Show Network. Please check the description below and subscribe to the channels that interest you. I'd also like to thank Gary at Gary's Grails for the voiceover work on the intro to this video.